Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset a Honda Pilot oil light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, press and hold the trip or select button, then watch the maintenance or oil life display count down. If needed, cycle the key off and back on to complete the process and verify the oil light is cleared. Follow these steps calmly and check your owner manual for trim specifics. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat with the vehicle in park and the parking brake set. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine so the dash lights up and the display becomes active. Press and hold the trip or select button until the oil life or maintenance indicator begins to flash or change, then release and use the same button to confirm the reset until the display shows 0% or reset. If your Honda Pilot oil light does not reset after the standard process, stay calm and repeat the steps slowly and exactly. Make sure the ignition is on but the engine is off, and hold the trip or select button long enough for the display to register the command. If it still fails, consult the owner manual for your specific trim or visit a dealer to diagnose potential sensor or software issues that might prevent a manual reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.